The Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, has stated that the fainting of 6 suspects in court on Friday was a deliberate act intended to draw negative attention to the arrangements. Speaking through a statement signed by force spokesperson Muyiwa Adejobi, Egbetokun insisted that medical aid was promptly provided, emphasizing the police commitment to welfare of those in their custody. The suspects, most of whom appeared malnourished and included minors, were part of a group of 76 individuals arraigned in Abuja in connection with the August #EndBadGovernance protest. 6 of them reportedly collapsed before the proceedings, drawing widespread criticisms from both domestic and international observers. Following the arrangements, the court granted each minor bail set at 10 million naira. The IGP said, "Today, an unexpected incident in court saw 6 of the suspects suddenly rushed out and faint, drawing media attention in a deliberate and scripted manner to attract negative attention. While committed to upholding justice, the Nigerian police force remains sensitive to the rights of all individuals, including young persons. Under Nigerian law, individuals who have reached the age of criminal responsibility are answerable for their actions, regardless of their age." Egbetokun urged citizens not to show any form of bias in the case, assuring that the police will remain transparent throughout the legal process. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.